go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice.
Chellesglamhome. Well, today guys, I've got another 2 super easy DIY projects for the Easter season. I hope you enjoy.
Let me take a breath.
Guys, Big W Australia have the most adorable Easter decor at the moment, and I couldn't walk away from these adorable bunny buckets. They were just $5 each, but I had a wonderful idea in mind to create them into flower buckets. Now, using my favourite Kmart Australia roses, what I'm going to do here guys is just place these inside the bucket. Now, I could have used floral foam here and put them into the floral foam, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just placing them in the centre. I love these Kmart roses guys. I use them on many a DIY, and at just $5 a bunch they are so affordable. I continued to add many bunches until I got the desired fullness I was after. I then started on my second bunny bucket. Guys, when I'm out shopping, I always look for things that I could create something beautiful into. I just couldn't walk away from these adorable bunny buckets, and as soon as I seen them, I thought to myself, how beautiful would these be as bunny flower buckets? I absolutely love watching my vision come to life, and this simple, inexpensive project was so much fun to create, and the vision was right there in front of me. With just a few inexpensive flowers and the bunny buckets, I got the look I was aiming for. Guys, I'm always looking for wonderful ideas to share with you that don't have to break the bank. I love that by taking these simple, cute bunny buckets, I was able to create the vision that I had in store. You might be walking through the store, you see something, it might not be in the colour that you want, but you have that vision. And this is what I had in store for these bunny buckets. Now guys, I then started on my second really easy DIY. I recently picked up this beautiful magazine holder from 1825 Interiors. I absolutely love it, guys. It's actually dual purpose, where it means that it also folds out as a mini table to place on your bed, but I chose to use it as the magazine holder. But what I wanted to do, guys, is have it spilling out with some beautiful flowers. So again, I used those Kmart Australia roses.
Windows down and open top, but we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been. 'Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by.
Now guys, again you could place some floral foam in the centre here, but I chose not to, as I use these flowers quite often in DIYs to show you. So I thought I'd just show you how I can still place them in here and give that beautiful full effect. As you can see, I'm just placing them over the edge of the magazine holder, and that sits them in place.
Killing time, Friday night, found a photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night in Venice. It just slipped my mind. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open.
So once I was happy with having them on each of the edges, I'm now going to place one of those bunny buckets just tilted on its side in the centre.
Don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Way back then.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much.
I then filled in the gaps by adding more roses around the bucket.
I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
absolutely love how this came. I took something that I already had and gave it a fresh new makeover, something really inexpensive and for the Easter season. I love that I can switch this out every season and create something new in the magazine holder.
I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. I met you in the it still hurts a little bit.
Leave me a comment down below if you're enjoying my Easter DIYs.
I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. I met you in the
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chellesglamhome. If you love to do simple and inexpensive projects to decorate your home glam, my channel just might be for you. I'd love for you to give this video a big thumbs up, share the video as many times as you can, and I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chellesglamhome family. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way when decorating for the Easter season. Don't forget to tap your notification bell, guys. I'll be uploading my Easter home tour very soon. So if you'd like to see that video, hit that notification bell so you'll be aware next time I upload a video. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.